Eventually, the opportunity showed up that the Alameda Superior Court was looking for someone to help them develop a mediation program that somehow they tried to start, and for many years they have it dormant. So I saw the opportunity. It is, I always make the metaphor as the surfers when they go to Hawaii or they go to different places in the world because they want to ride the highest wave.
Right.
For me, going into the court system and help them create a mediation program was the ultimate area of my career. Right? It's like, wow, I'm gonna go into the court system, and by the way, I want to learn why sometimes the mediations programs don't work very well. Maybe I can be of influence for these programs to really work, because a lot of people do not know that there are these mediation programs in the court system, right? And the most that we learn when we go through a divorce is that supposedly a mediator helps to mediate the child custody. And there's an erroneous information about these individuals because they're social workers. They're not trained in mediation. But for a while they were calling them mediators, right? But they're not. They're not skilled in mediation, right? They're just social workers that decide where the child is going to be best in a couple of hours. So the mediation program was going more to be built in the small claim courts and in certain courts that people go in and and try to sue one another. And that helps the judges to be able to reduce the amount of cases they have by offering a voluntary process of a mediation, and with that mediation be able to give that information to the judge of what is it, not what happened in the mediation, but what is it that they decided to do, and how they were going to work through the situation, or how they were going to divide the money, or who was going to pay what, right? So I went into the Superior Court. I moved here from San Diego, from living all my life there. I decided to move up here, and I start working with the Superior Court in building that program. And it was amazing for me, just having that opportunity to be able to work with judges and be able to work with them in order to develop a program that would fit the Superior Court system. And then be able to start educating people about the mediation programs that we had, and then be able to train mediators to be able to do these mediations inside the court system.